Hi, we're Supplying Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on this Frigidaire refrigerator, model FFTR1814TBB. Let's start with the refrigerator door handle and screws. To get started, open the fridge door and unscrew the two screws on top of the door. Then, carefully remove the handle from the fridge. There will be a screw on the front of the door that needs to be removed as well. Replace this screw with the Supplying Demand door handle mounting screw. Then, slide the handle into place like so. Replace the top screws with the ones included in the Supplying Demand door handle kit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.